Oh no! Without a siren, no one notices me! My siren is broken!
First, we need to unhook the broken siren.
Now we need to choose the right siren.
A siren should attract attention, not put you to sleep. No, the siren must flash. Thank you. Now I need to catch the criminal.
Oh no, Miss Apple is waiting for me. My car tire has burst.
Now, we need to choose the right wheel.
We need a larger size. Oh, now it's too big. Oh, hooray! My car is intact. Thank you.
My fire truck has broken down! My sprinkler is broken!
Now we need to choose the right water.
It won't put out the fire! But the car held us down to 2.
Oh. We can turn your car into a new one.
Ha! Ha! Ha!
Let's do it together.
Hooray! My car is intact! Thank you! Oh!
We finally got everyone fixed and can go home!
Hey!
Looks like a leg injury.
Take him for an X-ray. The X-ray will show if the bone is intact.
We need to assemble the puzzle.
Now fix the leg. Say it's definitely a cold. The first step is to bring a fever down. Now, let's help the nose. Now we need to help your sore throat. Thank you, doctor. Take care of yourself.
What is this?
A plane!
Right! And what is this?
A parachute!
No. What is this?
I can't see.
We'll fix it now.
A mushroom! And one more mushroom! And 2 more!
Kids, it's time for lunch.
can't see anything.
Oh no! This isn't real! There it is!
I'm afraid of checkups.
Checkups are necessary so that you don't get into an accident.
Now I will never be afraid of checkups.